All right, let's get you more breaking updates now coming in. The Congress Rajya Sabha MP Randeep Singh Surjewala has moved suspension of business notice under Rule 267 to demand a discussion on the action taken by the Delhi police and the RAF personnel against the protesting youth. My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Sabyasachi, an adjournment notice of a similar kind has been moved in the Lok Sabha as well by Manikyam Tagore, the Congress MP, and now in the Rajya Sabha as well. So it is clear that the opposition is now going to insist on a discussion or a debate on the police action on the protesters on the 20th. What are the details?
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, not only Randeep Singh Surjewala in Rajya Sabha, in fact, Mr. Manikyam Tagore in Lok Sabha and several other member of parliament from the Congress party has given an adjournment motion under rule number 267 to hold immediate discussion inside the House regarding what the Congress party said that lethal weapons has been used against the youth and the students in the protest. And in fact, leader of opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, also said that lethal weapons like pellet guns has been used against several protesters in the national capital. Female protesters also has been beaten up by the security forces, and the Congress have been asking that who authorized the use of lethal weapons against the students or the youth, and who authorized the police to take action and wear civil uniform on that day of the protest, that was on 20th. Now they are demanding accountability from Home Minister, and they want Prime Minister to apologize in the House, and more adjournment motions are likely to follow. In fact, the Trinamool Congress member of Parliament in Rajya Sabha, Sagarika Ghosh, also have given an adjournment motion to discuss about the use of lethal weapons against students. In fact, DMK MP also had submitted adjournment motion in the House and want the central government to hold discussion regarding the current situation. Clearly, this is once again going to be a stormy session because the central government will be bringing in the anti-paper league bill today.
Okay, all right. So the government has been clear. We have taken a series of steps. In fact, the government says that one of the biggest demands of the protesters was the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan, and now that has happened as well. So the government says it's now time to debate in the parliament. It's time to make laws that are going to help the students. But the opposition, as of now, doesn't look ready for a debate and continues to say that we want discussions on the police excesses on the protesters.